of animal kingdom. This is part 4. So today we will discuss about phylum Arthropoda, phylum Mulaska, phylum Echinodermata and phylum Hemichordata. So here we go. Firstly, phylum Arthropoda. This is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. 3/4 of million species are here. So going to the general characteristics of phylum Arthropoda. The first point is body segment. They show the body segmentation and body symmetry. They show bilateral symmetry and they also show a distinct head. Then the second point is body covering. Their body is covered by a thick, tough, non-living chitinous cuticle. Then the point has come is ecdysis or molting. This is a special character in the phylum Arthropoda. It is shade of the old skeleton and the new ecdysis or molting is formed by epidermis. Then the fourth point of phylum Arthropoda is mouth and anus. Both are present. Then the fifth point is body cavity. Body cavity present, it is true coelom and the coelom is filled with blood, which is hemocoel. It is a special type of coelom. Then the next point is respiratory system. The respiratory system is presence of a respiratory pigment which is called hemocyanin. Then the circulatory system. The circulatory system of phylum Arthropoda is open type. Then the excretory system. The excretory system is a very important point in phylum Arthropoda. The excretory system is Malpighian tubes and with end sacs, and the end sacs is named by the associated organ is situated, which is green gland or Malpighian gland or maxillary gland or coxal gland, etc. And then the next point is nervous system. The nervous system is cilium and compound eyes are present. Then the reproduction they are dioecious, they dimorphism, and their eggs are central. Then the point is development. Their development is direct or maybe indirect. Then we come to the examples, which is economically important. Some species are Apis sp, honeybee, we all know, Bombax sp, which is silkworm, Lucifer sp, which is lac insect, which secrete the lacca. Then the vector of many diseases are like Anopheles, Culex, the mosquitoes. Many types of mosquitoes are also in this phylum. Then the gregarious pest like Locusta sp. You have to underline the scientific name. Then we come to the second phylum of our video is phylum Mulaska. It is the second largest animal phylum containing 1 lakh species. The phylum is established by Cuvier. So the first point of general characteristics of phylum Mulaska is habit and habitat. They are mainly aquatic, few are terrestrial. And the body is bilateral, soft, unsegmented, without a body cavity. Then the point is the main point of phylum Mulaska, which is mantle or pallium. They bear the mantle membrane, so this is called the Mulaska. What is mantle or pallium? The mantle is a visceral mass enclosed by a thick muscular fold of the body wall. Then the point comes that radula, presence of radula. What is radula? Radula is toothed, tongue-shaped, ribbon-like organ which is situated in the buccal cavity as a buccal organ, and it helps in feeding. Then the point is calcareous shell. So calcareous shell is maybe present in the external. When it is present in the external, it helps in protection, and present in internal also. So the next point is respiratory system. Respiratory system is presence of tindial gills and pulmonary sac. Then the next point is excretory system. Excretory system, there is a presence of sac-like kidneys, open proximally. Then the blood vascular system. The blood vascular system is very special type in the phylum Arthropoda. It is open type and with a heart by pericardium through the intestine passes. Then the point is nervous system. Then the nervous system. The nervous system is consist of circumesophageal ring, two pair of ganglion longitudinal cords with modification. Then the point is sexes. The sexes is separate. Few are hermaphrodite with a pair of gonads. And then the point is cleavage. The cleavage is spiral. Then the point comes that development. The development is indirect via trochophore larva and veliger larva, and the stages are secondarily direct. Then we come to the examples of phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Mulaska. Phylum Mulaska, the first is apple snail, which is Pila globosa. You can call it Pila sp. Then pearl oyster, which is Sphinctera sp. Then cuttlefish or Sepia sp, loligo sp or squid, octopus sp, devilfish. Then Aplyza sp, which is sea hare, the Dentalium sp, which is tusk shell, and the Chetoplura sp, which is chitin. So the next phylum in the animal kingdom is phylum Echinodermata. Echinos means spines and dermata means skin. It is a very special phylum. So here we go for the general characteristics. First point is habit and habitat. They are mostly marine, non-colonial, and they are all deuterostomes. Then body symmetry. Body symmetry is oral and aboral. They have no differentiated head. Adults are 5 red and they are radial symmetry, and the larvae are bilateral symmetry. They show the bilateral symmetry. Then the point is spines. They are covered by calcareous ossicles, and then the point is ambulacra and interambulacra. There are 5 groups of ambulacra, and the between 2 ambulacra there are interambulacra also. Then the point is body coelom. Body mainly oligometric, tripartite, paired enterocoelic, few are schizocelic. Then the point comes is digestive system. Digestive system are coiled tube with a aboral well developed. The next point is digestive system. Digestive system is coiled tube with anus, is on the aboral surface, and it is well developed. Then the point is water vascular system. Water vascular system in Echinodermata is well developed, and it bears left mesocele, which is called hydrocele, and left metacele also. Left protoceles are here. Then we come to the point is tube feet or podia. There are tubular contractile tube feet present, which helps in locomotion. Then the point is circulatory system. The circulatory system is poorly defined. Then the point is respiratory and excretory system. They are no definite respiratory and excretory organs. Then the point is nervous system. The nervous system is subepidermal form of circumesophageal ring, and which is situated in the ambulacrum. Then the point is reproduction. The reproduction is they are gamochronistic, sexual, and their gonads are separate. They are simple also. The fertilization is external. They fertilizing in the environment, and their eggs cleave radially. The development is indirect. Then the examples of phylum Echinodermata is Asterias, Echinus, which is sea urchin, Asterias is starfish, Antodon, which is sea lily, Cucumberia, which is sea cucumber, etc. You have to underline the scientific name. So, the last phylum before chordata is Hemichordata. So, we go to the general characteristics. The first point of general characteristics is habit and habitat. They are mostly marine. Second is body symmetry. They show bilateral body symmetry. Then the gut wall of Hemichordata is straight and U-shaped. Then the point is body form. They are oligometric body. They tricoelomate. They show the protosomal proboscis, mesosomal collar, and metasomal trunk. Then the point is circulatory system. The circulatory system is partly open. The excretory system comprises glomerulus. The nervous system is diffuse type. The sexes is separate and gonocrostics. And the development is deuterosomous and indirect with larval ternanear stage. Then the examples of Hemichordata is Balanoglossus and Saccoglossus. Hey guys, that was it for the day. If you like this video, then please like it, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to SS tutorial for further notification, and if you have any doubt for the video, you can put it down in the comment section. And for more updates, you can contact me. My contact details is in the description. So, bye bye.